Hey y'all, how's it going? Today actually is sort of special. We're going to upgrade, quote unquote, a good chunk of my setup. It's the first really upgrade I've done to this. And we're gonna start with DJI Mic Mini and the iPhone adapter. Although, I really shouldn't do the iPhone adapter. Well, we need to be able to see what the difference is between the two. Basically, I actually use, for those who don't know, I actually do already use a DJI Mic 1 for my audio on this channel. Have at least since I've been doing any of these review kind of videos. There's nothing really been wrong with the DJI Mic 1 at all. I have not really had any issues, and a lot of the feature set in the way of like being able to record to the device itself and everything is really, really nice and important, I guess. One, I wanted to upgrade this camera. Right now I'm just shooting on a iPhone 11. While I like it, obviously, and everything, it's really nice, you know, beautiful camera and everything. It just is annoying to shoot on a phone for something like this. But also, I wanted to always do more like vloggy, I guess, type styles and everything. And I always wanted to use a DJI, what is it? Osmos Pro, whatever. Which the DJI 1 can't connect to normally with it. Which the Mini, the 2, the Mini, and the 3 can. And while I do appreciate some of the things that you can do with the 2 and 3, I'm not gonna lie. This was on sale for 80 bucks, I think, for the Mic Mini. And I gotta be honest, at 80 bucks, that is not bad at all. I'm gonna put this guy back. So all that comes in. This you have to buy separate for iPhone. I think it comes with a USB-C by itself, which in theory I'm going to be using this mobile phone adapter for like one video and I'm switching over to the other one, but whatever. For the fans. Sorry, just watched K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's see. We have weird sticker. What is this supposed to go on? It's like, so this has a cool DJI logo, but this is like, oh, it's a memory card sticker. It's literally the size of a memory card. Very odd. Okay, that's one of the weirdest things I've seen. Quick start guide, safety guidelines. Let's see. Is it a nice picture or is it it's a roadmap? Oh no, it's a roadmap. Oh, I hate it. All right, so that's all that comes in that one. And this is the main package. Ooh, comes with a nice little carry. Oh, that actually is like really nice carrying thing. Just opens the things right there. Let's see, windscreen, which also just as a little bonus, I guess you can keep the windscreens on, which is really nice. You have either, oh, that's much different than, oh, you either have the gray or the black. I don't think there's any difference between the two other than just color. Let's see. We've got the actual doodad right there. We've got good silica gel, definitely something for you to nom on later. Really nice packaging, like weirdly nice. I wasn't expecting that. Let's see. All of these freaking plastics are hardy. We have microphone to microphone. We have a USB-C cable, which is always nice. And that's really about it. So now if we just open this, is the new thing. Okay, so this is DJI 1, this is the Mini. We're gonna separate this a little bit. It's a good deal smaller. Doesn't look like it from up top. So if you look at it side by side, it's like, you know, a little bit shorter. Maybe about the same thickness. It's a little taller, but it feels so much lighter. Like this feels like maybe like a third of the, or 2/3 of the size of this, and the top of this feels very cheap, I'm not gonna lie. Press to unlock. Oh, okay, I need to take the thing off. Sticker. Press to unlock. I was expecting it to pop. Ooh. Oh look, there's the, it comes with the space to put the new one in. You son of a bitch. That's so mean. So the big thing with this one is there's not a screen on it, it's just the what's it, just sitting here. Oh. Here's USB-C. And it's just like the DJI one, where you pop this little bottom part off and you can just clip this in. Or not clip, I guess you just slide it in. And now you can just put it on a phone. You just click it in and be good. If I even did that the right way. Oh, I did do it the right way. Okay. And it has 2 slots for it too. I guess then I'll open this, which is the DJI Mic Mini mobile phone adapter. So it's specifically for lightning adapter. And it's all this plastic and all this cardboard for this little itty bitty guy. This little dude. Let's see. And this just insanely thick piece of plastic. It's really annoying, honestly. Ooh, it makes a very satisfying click when you push that in. But that's all it is. It's just this little itty bitty thing. You have different adjustments for how loud you want it to be. And a little clip. Nothing special. This, I'm guessing, is what this is for, to plug it into an actual camera kind of thing. That's really it. Can it sit in the thing with this on? It can. Oh, and it's magnetic too. Holy crap. So let's see. So we take this out, take this buddy out. Let's see if it automatically does. It does. It automatically connects. So this is number 2. Wow. Oh, and this guy's like meaty. I like it. Little magnet on the back, just like the other one. You have the sync button, power button. I believe you can change, what is it called? So you can't hear everything around you. I cannot think of what the name is for it. That's nifty. Okay, and so one of the nice things too is this just clips in like this, I'm guessing? Yes, okay, so you can see it in the back. It has little holes right there that can clip into. Boom. Little windscreen. Nice and soft. If I understand, yep, that just closes right on top. That's nifty. All right, all right. So left side is mic 1, right side's mic 2. That's a nice little situation here. USB-C charging in the back. Very nice. I guess the only thing to do is to change this out and see what this sounds like compared to the mic 1. All right, give me 1 sec. All right, took a second, but I think this is working now. I'm pretty sure this is working. Unfortunately, I really can't tell unless, so, okay, there is a little light that was blinking on the Mic Mini. I had to unlock the phone in order to start using it, having it plugged into the bottom for like an iPhone accessory. So that was a little weird. The only thing that's weird is just I can't see that it's getting the input from this mic, which is a little worrisome, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, trade-offs, right? For, what was it, 80 bucks I think I got it on Amazon. Usually I think it's supposed to be like 160, but I think it's on sale right now for like 100 or so, but not bad for it. This is the DJI one, by the way. That is at least like double the size of the one that I just opened. And you have to take that off every time you put it into the little box, which sort of sucks. What is nice though is, one, this has its own storage on it, which is really nice. You can just press the record button and it will record it to the actual mic itself as a backup in case it doesn't get picked up by the phone or your camera or whatever have you. And you get this nice little mini OLED screen. I think it's OLED? Do you want to focus camera? Anyway, you just get this nice little screen that, you know, it's just nice. And of course, you know, you have this little to-go case. That's all really nice. I am very sure that this has a lot more battery, more functionality with DJI's actual items going forward. While I appreciate, oh my God, this thing is so much heavier. While I appreciate how much I've been able to do with this thing, I am excited to try and use more of the DJI Mini versus the other thing I've been using this whole time. Yeah, but just a little charging case. It's such a cute little system. I really, really like it, honestly. I'm gonna take this. I guess I could leave that in. God, that is so nice. That is such a nice little itty bitty system. I love this bag. I sort of hate how big the bag is. Cause like, this is a lot for just a tiny, I mean, you plop this guy in, there's still, you could fit a second one in here, plus all the stuff on the side. I struggle to think of what I'd be able to use this bag for when it comes to the actual, whatchamacallit, the actual mics. But for a cheap little option, I mean, this is really, really nice. Yeah, receiver, 2 transmitters, charging case, carrying pouch, clip magnets, mobile, only USB-C mobile adapter, USB-C charging, audio cable, all that kind of good stuff. 48-hour operation case. It's just really, really nice. Well, and also, you guys are listening to the difference in audio. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below on which you think might have been better. If you believe that the other one is better, just let me know. I'd really be interested to see what you guys have as far as a sound difference. They're on the same spots in my shirt, usually in just midsection, looking right up at me. The other thing that's really big about this, I forgot to say before piecing out here, is this does not have a lavalier connection. So if you want to do, like, have it on your waist or anything like that and have a lavalier mic going up to your mouth, this is not the one you want to go for. You want to go for a 2 or 3, which are a good deal more in money. 2 isn't too far off from what it is now. Know that when you do get this, that's a very different product entirely. I mean, ultimately, I think this is a really nice system. I really have been enjoying DJI's little ecosystem so far, honestly. For mostly stay at home, you know, I don't go out too much to anywhere special. So having a little mic system that isn't the biggest thing in the world, if, you know, not like I'm completely losing something if something doesn't record or anything like that, but also having this as a backup in case, like, if I do ever go out to a con or CES or anything like that, I would definitely probably bring this instead. For my day-to-day recordings and everything, the DJI Mic Mini, absolutely a powerhouse in this, and I really, really enjoy this little guy. It's such a nice little thing, and you barely feel it on your shirt and everything. These guys would completely weigh you down as you were actually talking around. It's really nice, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me and taking this short little journey with me. Like I said, I will be probably connecting these. One of the biggest reasons to get this is to be able to connect to other DJI things in their little ecosystem. So I imagine my next video will probably be about the Osmo 3, I think it is. Just waiting on that to get in, and I'm very excited to try that out for sure. Thank you again. I love you guys. Everyone have a fantastic anything you're going to, really. But I love you guys.